Frasch process for the extraction of sulphur. The method for the extraction of sulphur was developed by an engineer, Hermann Frasch. In this method, a hole of 30 centimeter diameter is drilled into the sulphur bed. This is known as the sulphur bed. Okay, now 3 concentric iron pipes are sunk into the hole. These 3 pipes, this one, and the innermost one. The outermost pipe of 20 centimeter diameter is sunk to the sulphur deposit. This is known as the outermost pipe, and this is of 20 centimeter diameter. The next inner pipe of 10 centimeter is held a little above the sulphur deposit. This inner pipe is of 10 centimeter diameter, and the innermost pipe is of 5 centimeter diameter. This is known as the innermost pipe. Superheated water at 170 degrees centigrade under 100 atmospheres is pumped down through the outermost pipe to melt the sulphur. This is known as the outermost pipe, and superheated water under 100 atmosphere pressure is pumped from this hole. The melting point of sulphur is 115 degrees centigrade. Hot compressed air is pumped down through the innermost pipe. This is known as the innermost pipe, and from here hot compressed air is pumped into the sulphur bed. A frothy mixture of air, water and molten sulphur rise up through the middle pipe. This one is the middle pipe. So from this pipe, molten sulphur and water mixture rises up. The molten sulphur is 99% pure, where it cools and solidifies into huge blocks. I want to make it clear that this is known as the sulphur bed, and from there 100 atmosphere pressure is pumped into the sulphur bed, and the molten sulphur is extracted from here. Superheated water of about 170 degrees centigrade is pumped from here, and this is the uppermost part of our earth. This is known as sulphur bed. So from here we can extract sulphur. Frasch method is the easy way to extract sulphur from sulphur bed. So thank you.